Hi everyone, this is Hannah, and today I'm going to do a tutorial video for this rosette die. This die is sold in the KSCRAFT store, and you can find their dies on Amazon when you search ZF Party dies. So for this rosette die, it has two borders, and for this one there is no edge at this side, so you can create it with this border. And since it has no edge lines, so if you want to make a super big, super large rosette, it is okay to do that. Just you can score this line around this, and then you can make your rosette very big. And with this rosette die, you can make a plain rosette with this single die, and then you can make a rosette with this border. It has these two tiny hearts and these elegant borders. And also you can make this one, so it has this border. So with this die set, you can make 3 dies, and also in multiple sizes, since you can just trim this part like so, so the rosette will be in different sizes. So today I'm going to make a rosette in 4 centimeters, which is about 1.5 inches. For making a rosette, if the rosette is small, you can cut like 1 time or this one. But if the rosette is large, then you need to cut 2 or 3 or 4 times of this die to make the rosette. So today I'm going to make a 4 centimeter rosette. I mean the diameter will be 8 centimeters. So that is 3 inches in diameter of this rosette. So I have cut this one out, and I'm going to show you how I just measure it. So I just measure it at 4 centimeters, that is 1.5 inch, and I score it. So here you can see the score line, and put it like so. In this way, you will see that you just put this around this score line, and then tape it and run through the machine, and then punch out these holes. And you need to stick these 2 parts together, right? So you need to trim off this part a little bit. So trim off around this folding line and glue it together. So now we can fold it. So fold in, fold back. So it's fold ready. And here also trim this part off to stick it together. So trim this part. And then you need 2 pieces of cardstock that you can just cut it like what I do, or you can use some cutting dies, round cutting dies to make it. And so fold it like this. See, it's almost ready. And I'm waiting my glue gun. And use your glue gun to glue the center. And also the back side. And hold it for several seconds. So this rosette is ready to go. And you can put some decorations to hide this place. I would think to use this bee shaker, but it's a little big compared with this rosette. So maybe adding a flower here. So this rosette die is ready. And you can really make a lot of rosettes with this die set. So I think it's very versatile. So this is the tutorial for today, and if you have any questions, please let me know. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll catch you in my next craft video. Bye bye.